Raisins are a great source of soluble fiber and tartaric acid. The anti-inflammatory properties of raisins improve intestinal function and regulate the balance of bacteria in your gut. Calories, protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamin C, magnesium, phosphorus, and sodium are found in abundance in raisins. How to make raisin water. Raisin water is easy to make at home using just two simple ingredients. To get started, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan or pot. Next, remove it from the heat and add 1 cup of raisins to the water. Let the raisins soak overnight or for at least 8 hours before straining out the fruit using a colander or sieve. Although you can enjoy raisin water at any time of the day, proponents suggest drinking it before breakfast to maximize its potential benefits. Health benefits of raisins water. Number 1. Antioxidants. According to Healthline, raisins are a good source of antioxidants that protect our cells from certain dangerous compounds termed free radicals. Antioxidants play an important part in your health and may prevent chronic illnesses such as cancer, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Slows down the skin aging process. Raisins are rich in phytonutrients like phenols and polyphenols. These are very powerful plant-based antioxidants that provide anti-inflammatory support to the body. They also help in slowing down the cellular damage and hence also slow down the skin aging process, including the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, loss of collagen, and elasticity. Number 3. Combats constipation. Raisin water contains plenty of insoluble fiber and natural fluids, which are known for improving digestion. Raisins have flavonoid components like tartaric acid, tannins, and catechins, which promote a laxative effect, create a form of bulk that helps move the food through the intestines, and prevents constipation. Drinking raisin water is an effective home remedy to keep your stomach clean and healthy. Number 4. Removes toxins from the body. Drinking raisin water helps clean your blood by flushing out the toxins. Drinking this water for at least a week will not only reduce your heart disease, but will also clean your liver and increase its ability to work. Number 5. Prevents anemia. Raisins are rich in iron, B-complex vitamins, and copper. The iron and the B-complex vitamins help in forming new blood cells. Copper, on the other hand, is beneficial in iron absorption.